toldtobetterbroke.com. Mark Morris, toldtobetterbroke.com, toldtobetterbroke.com. How you guys doing today? Today is a Saturday. It's about 11:45. I just finished going to Vons. The best time to go shopping is go Saturday, 10 to 12, 10 to 1. 10 to 12, 10 to 1. Go shopping. Make sure you guys subscribe. You know, I used to live in San Francisco. Used to go out, used to be riding bikes. I could go outside my door and be like 5 minutes from the 10 minutes from the Golden Gate Bridge. I lived on Bay Street, off of Embarcadero. You guys know that street? So I remember I used to go across that, like probably 20 places away. Is Red Jack Saloon. It was owned by a Boston husband and wife. I used to be there all the time, man. Subscribe. That was back in 2001, just before 9/11, when I thought I was going to be the Black Donald Trump. Subscribe. What I learned there was things change quick, man. The weather, one day the weather will be hot. You guys know, subscribe. One day the weather will be hot. Another day it'll be foggy. So look, you learn from different types of weather. And I think I used to go biking. Who remembers the old Presidio? You could go down there and do some biking. Subscribe. So, just finished up Tightout fit training. Today. So we finished up. Now, going for an after walk. And we gotta come to the park. Subscribe. So, we're heading into the last 3 months of the year, man. So I just want you to get your money together, man. Find out how much your expenses are, how much money you have coming in, and what you need to bring in more money. Subscribe, man. I was in debt over $135,000. I was paying $5,000 a month for probate, as a probate issue I messed up on. Subscribe. You know me, Mark Morris, toldtobetterbroke.com. Engineer with the most videos in the world, over 4,000 for a registered engineer. That's the most on YouTube. So thought I'd let you know. I used to live in San Francisco. Remember, I used to work at Davis Student Conference Housing. My buddy Richard and I, we used to have like remember those flatback trucks with the lift gates? We used to move all the clothes, all the covers and the stuff for student conferences. They had conferences at Davis. So subscribe. So you don't know where you're going to end up. Now I'm in Redlands. Was in Yucca Valley. Subscribe. So we're going to see what's going to happen. Just thought I'd give you a little introduction. I mean, I'm just trying to, as I build a business, I'm trying to have you guys follow what I do. If an engineer could build a $10 million, $100 billion business, what can you guys do with business skill?